Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, if you're a trader who is constantly on the move, the MetaTrader 4 mobile app is a game changer for you. Okay, so in this particular video we're just going to be discussing how to trade on the go with the MetaTrader 4 mobile app so that you never miss an opportunity, no matter where you are. All right, so whether you are at home, in the office, or on the road, this app puts all the power of MetaTrader 4 right in the palm of your hand. So let us just get right into it. Before we dive deep, don't forget to hit the like button if you are excited about using the MetaTrader 4 mobile app, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more trading tips and tutorials. First of all, let's just quickly go over what the MetaTrader 4 mobile app actually is. So if you've been trading for a while, you might already be familiar with MetaTrader 4 on desktop, but this mobile version allows you to carry your trade, your trading platform with you wherever you go. Now, the MetaTrader 4 mobile app lets you place trades, monitor charts, and manage your positions all from your smartphone or tablet. Now, this version of MT4 is designed to offer most of the features available in the desktop version, making it easy to execute trades while on the go. And the best part, you don't have to be in front of your computer to stay connected to the markets, right? So if you're someone who likes to stay active and make trades, while traveling, this app will be a game changer. Okay, so let's just go over how to set up your MetaTrader 4 mobile app, how to get started. First things first, you head to the App Store on your device. Okay, if you are using an iPhone or iPad, you can go to the App Store, and if you are using Android, you can head to the Google Play Store. All right, when you go to your App Store, you simply search for MetaTrader 4. Okay, you search for MetaTrader 4, right? Once you search for it, you download the app, you install it on your phone. Okay, so once you've got the app installed, you'll need to log in. All right, you'll need to log in after you've got it installed. Okay, now you open the app, you'll be prompted to log into your trading account. You can either use your existing broker's account, or you can create a demo account to get started. You're going to see the option. So you're going to see something like this. You're going to see open a demo account, log into an existing account. If you have an existing account already, you can just type for the broker, the broker that you are using, and then when it comes out, ensure that the server is correct. Then you fill in your login and your password. But if you do not have an account, you can just open a demo account, select the broker as well, and then fill in all the details. All right, now once you have done that, okay, let's just set up the app for easy use. Okay, once you've logged in, you take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice several tabs at the bottom. Okay, this gives you quick access to charts. This is for the chart, this is for the quotes, this is for trade history. All right, and this one is news sections. Okay, all right, and and all of that. So it's important to get comfortable with navigating through these tabs, because they will be your main tools when trading on the go. Now let's just talk about navigating the MetaTrader 4 mobile app. As a mobile version of the full MT4 platform, it's designed to be as intuitive and user-friendly as possible. So let's just quickly break it down. Okay, in terms of charts and technical analysis, one of the most powerful features of the MT4 is the charting tools. And on the mobile version, you will have access to real-time charts just like the desktop version. You can switch between different time frames. Okay, you can see the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and so on, the hourly charts and all of that. Okay, weekly, monthly. So you can actually switch between charts. Okay, you can even apply technical indicators. You come to this, press this F plus, you can see different indicators. You select whatever indicator that you want to, and you can apply them to your chart. Okay, for example, this is the relative strength index. When you set the parameters, you click on done, and you can see it's going to be applied to your chart And you can see if you want to add again, you can press this F plus, select the indicator that you want, and once you set the parameters, you click on done, and you can see it's added the moving average to the chart as well. Okay, you can just tap on the chart, and this round stuff comes out, and you select what you want. Okay, you can also zoom in and zoom out. Okay, all right. Now, in terms of placing trades on the MetaTrader 4 mobile app, it's quite simple. Okay, from the main screen, right, or even from the chart, you can do that from here, or you can do that from here. All right, either ways, you can do that from here, you can do that from here, you can even do that from here as well. Select on the currency pair that you want, and you click on new order. So whichever method that you prefer. Okay, so once you click on this plus icon on the top right corner to open a new order, here you can set the trade size, the lot size, you can set your stop loss, set your take profit, and you can also choose between an instant execution or pending orders. The order screen is very similar to the desktop version, so if you've used MT4 on a computer, you'll feel right at home. Now I'm just going to open just a random trade. Okay, this is a demo account, by the way. So in terms of order management, you can manage your open positions on mobile in a very easy way. Okay, to view your current trades, you can come to this particular button. Okay, this particular place, this way you see your current trades. If you have multiple trades open, okay, you're just going to see all of them here, right? So you can manage your trades here. Okay, you're going to see, of course, your if you've set stop loss and take profit, for example. Let me just briefly set something for stop loss. Just gonna set that, and I'm just gonna set let's say 1.042. Let's just say 1.044. So you can see that the orders, the stop loss orders and take profit orders have been set already. Okay, so here you can manage your trades. You can set your stop loss, take profit. You can also close. If you want to close your trades, you can just slide and just click this, and here you go, close your trades. Very easy. All right, now trading on the go offers several advantages, especially when using the MetaTrader 4 mobile app. Okay, so let's just quickly discuss some of the key benefits. The first is convenience. The most obvious advantage is the ability to trade anywhere. So whether you're commuting, waiting in line, or traveling, you can keep track of the markets and make trades without needing to be tethered to a desktop. Now, secondly, real-time data. With MT4 Mobile, you can get real-time quotes and price feeds, ensuring that you are always up to date with the latest market movements. Now, this can be especially helpful for day traders or those looking to make quick decisions. Okay, and also flexibility. The mobile app gives you the flexibility to manage your trades wherever you are. You can just you can adjust your stop loss levels, your take profits, and close positions in real time. Plus, if you are in a situation where you can't be on your desktop, you don't have to worry about missing out on key trades. Okay, and it also offers seamless integration. If you are using MetaTrader 4 on your desktop, you'll find that the mobile app integrates seamlessly. You can switch between devices, and your trades, charts, and settings will sync up automatically. Okay, but well, maybe not exactly that way, but basically you can actually sign in on your MetaTrader 4 platform on your desktop, and you can sign in on your mobile app. Any trades executed on your desktop is going to reflect on your mobile app. If you execute trades on your mobile app, it's going to reflect on your desktop actually. So basically, in terms of the trade management and execution and all of that, they're going to be synced. Okay, but if you set up indicators on the mobile app, it's not going to reflect on your MetaTrader 4 Windows version. All right, so you have to take note of that. Now, while trading with MetaTrader 4 mobile is convenient, there are a few things you should also keep in mind to ensure that you're trading effectively. Okay, so you have to stay organized. Keep your charts and trading layouts organized. Okay, so you can quickly make decisions, okay, when needed. So you can set up your favorite indicators or chart templates for quicker assets. Okay, also you have to be mindful of battery life. All right, since mobile devices rely on battery power, make sure you are aware of how much battery you have left, especially if you are on the go. Okay, so always have a power bank or charging cable handy if you plan to trade for an extended period. Okay, so that is a quick look at the MetaTrader 4 mobile app and how you can use it to trade on the go. With real-time charts, easy order execution, and seamless integration with your desktop account, MT4 Mobile is an invaluable tool for any trader who wants to stay connected to the markets no matter where they are. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more trading tutorials and tips. Let me know in the comments if you've tried using MetaTrader 4 Mobile and what your experience has been like. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.